Greetings to all the professor. I am Ashish Nagar, CSC final year student. I am here to represent my final year project presentation on the behalf of my group. Along with me, my group members are Amit Bansal and Deepak Tevatia. Our final year project is personality prediction using social media. Our project ID is 2016 CSC PID 67. We developed this project under the guidance of Anupama ma'am. Moving to the next slide. This slide contains the table of content, and that's our vision and mission, introduction, objective, literature survey, the big five personality traits, problem statement, proposed solution, technology used, token accessing, proposed module, activity diagram, system design, learning model, final result, and paper publication details. Moving to the next one. Here it is the vision and mission of our college. The next one is vision and mission of our department, CSC department. Moving to the next slide, and it is the introduction about our project. The basic aim of our project is to build more reliable and smarter prediction system. The idea is to develop a system which fetch data from the social media accounts and predict the personality of the user. All this process is carried out with the help of various machine learning algorithms. The programming language used to build this project is Python. The next one is objective. The objective to develop this project is to make a systems which is more reliable and dependable, who can easily install and widely acceptable, and economically affordable and universal accessible to predict the personality of the user. Moving to the next slide, here is the literature survey. Psychologically, a personality can be divided into a big five personality traits. Big five are found in a variety of ages, culture, location, and it also consistently found in interviews, self-description, and observation. Till now, a numerous amount of research has been taken place in order to predict the personalities from the social media. Moving to the next one, here is the big five personality traits, and that are extroversion, agreeableness, consciousness, neuroticism, and openness. Continuously, this is the problem statement. The problem statement is often co-worker face problem due to the personality differences. Until now, many jobs need mental test. Moreover, personality is relevant to several interactions. Personality assessment help us to get a broader view of predicting job satisfaction and lifestyle. Till now, there is various ways through which we can predict the personality of anyone, such as we can take a short interview or a kind of test through which we can predict the personality. But these old methods are very time consuming, so that we develop our system. Moving to the next slide, here is the proposed solution. So we predict the personality on the only on the basis of received data from the user's social media account, and a brief introduction about the personality of the users is also given through this system, which may be very beneficial for many people in various aspects. We fetch data from the Twitter. Each tweet is treated as raw data, and our learning model is applied on it to predict the personality. Moving to the next slide, here is the technology used while building this project, and that is Python, NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Unicode, NLKT, Tweepy, CSV, Windows OS. So as we know that Python is a programming language, and NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Unicode, SLKT, and CSV is the libraries of Python. Here Windows is the operating system, as we know that, and Tweepy is an API, third-party API, which is used to extract the tweets, or we can say that the data from the Twitter. Moving to the next slide. This slide shows how we can use all these libraries and APIs in our source code. Moving to the next one. This slide shows how we can install Tweepy in our local machine. Moving to the next one. Token accessing. So to predict the final result, we have to access the tokens from the tweeters. So in order to accessing the token, first of all we have to log in to the Twitter developer account and make our app. From this app we have to copy our credentials in order to predict the personality of the users. Moving to the next slide, this slide shows how we can access our credentials from the Twitter developer accounts and use them in our code. Moving to the next one, here is the proposed modules. The proposed modules are data fetch, data processing, feature extraction, train process, train build, module run. Moving to the next one, here is the activity diagram. Activity diagram, first of all user have to register on the Twitter. After that user has to log in into their account, and authentication will be take place by the Twitter itself. After that data extraction will take place. After that extract data are stored in the database. After that data is processing, and after that get features vector. After that feature extract feature will take place, and finally re- our result will be predict, and finally we log out. The next one is system design. So in order to design our system, first of all we have to text process our text. We convert textual data into the numeric signals. To get tweet from the Twitter we use Tweepy. As we discussed earlier, it is a third party API which work on Python libraries. Treat each tweet post individually to obtain corresponding vector space representation. Apply basic pre-processing steps to clean the document from the noise and less informative data. Moving to the next one, this this is the processing stage we apply sequentially. These are all the this slide contain the information about pre-processing step. The first one is conversion to the lowercase. We convert all the tweets into the lowercase. After that we apply stopper removal. After that a punctuation removal will apply. After that we tokenized them. After that short post removal will done. Moving to the next one, here is our learning model. Our learning model is based on the support vector machine. Support vector machine is a supervised machine learning algorithm. SVM is best used for the purpose of data classification. SVM constructs one or more separator as a decision surface so that the distance of data point of different classes is maximized. We also use SVR. SVR is support vector regression. SVR is the extension of linear regression in support vector machine. For the use of SVM, we have to install scikit-learn Python libraries and import into our source code. Moving to the next slide. This slide shows how our learning model will look like after the training. These both slides are in continuous manner. Moving to the next one. Here is the final predicting personality from the tweets. So in order to predict the personality, we have to apply some pre-processing such as pure retweet removal. Any kind of retweet will be ignored purely. And URL removal, any kind of URL HTTP link will also be removed. After that mention removal, we ignored mention permanently. After that hashtag removal, we also removed hashtag. So this all these pre-processing steps are carried out in order to predict the personality effectively and to clean the data. Moving to the next slide, here is the final result. So we discuss our result later. Now we are going to demonstrate our project. So all these files contains our source code. Now we are going to show our source code. It will take little bit of time. These are the open file of our source code. Now we are going to show you result of our so project. First of all, we have to build our model. The file pygen.py shows how we can build our model. All these sections are the building of our model. In this section, we fetch data from the saved file and train our model. After that, we have to run the file final predictions.py. After the successful run of this file, our systems ask a username, and that is at the rate FARIDYU. These are only for the trial run. We can not predict anyone personalities, because to predict the anyone personalities, first of all, we have to take permissions from the Twitter. Now we can clearly see that our system, it gives a specific score to every type of personality traits. That is, score for O is 4.6, score for C is 3.5, score for E is 3.2, score for A is 3.4, score for N is 2.1. Now we can clearly see that the score for A is maximum, so the type of personality is openness. Openness is also known as the giver, and here is the brief explanation about the type of personalities. We can clearly see that they are shown that they are extroverted, idealistic, charismatic, outspoken, and so on. So we are moving back to our slide. This slide contains the research paper publication detail. Our research paper will be published in International Conference IRSRD 2020. Our paper application currently is under process, and all the guidelines suggested by the department would keep in mind while publishing the paper. Now here is the confirmation mail which we received from the journal side. Here is thank you very much.